You may have heard about the superfood status of kale or spinach, but what if we told you that there's another health food, often referred to as liquid gold, that surpasses these superfoods in terms of its benefits for your overall health, particularly your gut health? Now you may be thinking to yourself, it's probably kombucha, kefir, or Greek yogurt, right? Well, although those are good for your gut health, this miracle food is superior to even those gut-boosting options. Stay tuned to find out what this liquid gold is and how it can completely heal your leaky gut. Now let's talk about what this miracle-like substance is. This gut-boosting substance is called colostrum, the first milk produced after childbirth, which is well known for providing essential nutrients for a newborn's well-being. Now this may seem a bit odd because it's traditionally associated with infants, but recent research highlights that bovine colostrum, the first milk from cows, provides humans with mind-blowing benefits. To achieve these amazing benefits, you don't have to buy breast milk. Instead, opt for supplements derived from bovine colostrum, produced by cows. Though slightly lower in nutrients, bovine colostrum contains immunoglobulin antibodies, lactoferrin, and growth factors that help boost immunity, treat infections, and most importantly, improve issues related to leaky gut. Also, if you stay till the end, there is a bonus that will be revealed that will help you lose weight and increase your energy. Now, in case you don't remember, leaky gut syndrome is a condition resulting from years of poor diet, toxins, and stress that damages the intestinal lining. This damage allows undigested food and bacterial toxins to leak into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and elevating the risk of chronic health issues. But once you address that leaky gut issue, you can get back your energy, mental sharpness, improved mood, and even ideal weight. So why not learn more about the solution that can help you attain all these benefits? Colostrum, be it from animals or humans, proves beneficial in healing this damaged lining. Studies indicate that bovine colostrum may stimulate intestinal cell growth, fortify the gut wall, and prevent intestinal permeability, where particles escape from the gut into the body. In one study, athletes taking 20 grams of bovine colostrum daily prevented a significant increase in intestinal permeability experienced by those on a placebo, showcasing its protective role. Also, if you want more life-changing information like this, subscribe right now to transform your gut health, lose weight effortlessly, and experience a significant boost in your energy levels. Now, let's get back into it. Surprisingly, bovine colostrum also helps in effortless weight loss by improving your gut health. Stay till the end to find out how much you need to lose that stubborn body fat effortlessly. Another mechanism through which colostrum tackles leaky gut is by calming inflammation, thanks to lactoferrin found in bovine colostrum. In essence, inflammation weakens the digestive system lining and has a detrimental impact on the gut microbiome. By diminishing inflammation with colostrum, you alleviate gut stress, enhance its integrity, and facilitate your body shedding those excess pounds. Thanks to its diverse antibodies and lactoferrin protein, colostrum has also been proven effective in preventing and treating diarrhea caused by pathogens. Lactoferrin, due to its natural antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties, enhances immunity, which inhibits the growth of harmful microorganisms and prevents problems like diarrhea, which is one of the main symptoms of leaky gut. Now, since you made it this far into the video, it's time to share a golden nugget for losing weight and improving energy levels. Experts champion bovine colostrum in its role in promoting fat loss, not only because of its nutrient density, but also because of its ability to help heal leaky gut by restoring the intestinal lining in your gut. Once your leaky gut is healed, your body will be able to absorb nutrients better, reduce inflammation, and improve hormone regulation, which will help promote weight loss and increase energy levels. So now that you see how this liquid gold works, you may be asking yourself, how much do you need for optimal fat loss results? Well, we won't give you just opinions, but science-backed information. A study published in the Journal of Obesity found that people who took 20 grams of bovine colostrum powder per day for 6 weeks lost more weight and body fat than people who took a placebo. The group that took bovine colostrum also had a better improvement in insulin sensitivity, which will help you from gaining weight. So based on the research, the optimal amount you will need to drop those stubborn pounds is right around 20 grams per day. Lastly, choose organic, pasture-raised, and tested colostrum supplements to dodge antibiotics, pesticides, or synthetic hormones. For best results, consult a functional medicine doctor for personalized advice on colostrum intake for effective and safe results. So if you want to make a difference in your life and live life to the full, start by improving your gut health by using colostrum. Lastly, join the Good Gut movement by subscribing below, and to help others in our community, share what has improved your gut health in the comment section below.